Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing the center console for the 2013 Nissan Note, and that's in general the E12. Okay, now the tools we're going to be needing: flathead and a T20 Torx. Alright, let me just grab some things, get them out of the way, and let's begin. This is, once you get it down, it's not hard. So we're going to start by removing these two clips on either side. Alright, now we need a T20 Torx at the back here. Pardon the mess there. Pulling the seat forward might actually help. We go. That's pretty much all it takes to get things going. Now, at this point, you could easily reach under here and undo the plastic clip. It's really up to you, and I'll show you that just a minute. Okay, so if we look under here, can we see it? Let me see. I think I can see it from here. I'm not sure we can see it from here. I don't think I can see it from here. It's hard to get this showing. But at any rate, we'll look at that in a minute. So let's get back to this side. So the next thing that we want to do is actually to remove this. Because what's going to happen at this point is that we're going to be lifting this up, but as you can see, our efforts are hampered because we can't get past here. We certainly can't get past here. Now, there was some talk that putting this in neutral should give us some leverage. As you can see, that's not the case. Alright, so we're going to be removing here. Now, to do that, there are once again two clips. One there. Are these the same? I think they are. And another one on this side. Okay. Now this is going to be the difficult part. Okay, this is going to be the difficult part. because this will actually have to snake out along the side. Okay, so I have to undo that. It just pops up like that. Then there are 3 clips here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we need to kind of pull this back like that. Okay, so we've cleared those clips, right? So then what we have to do, as you can see, it's very flexible, which is good, because we're going to have to fish this kind of back like that. And then if we're lucky, we don't have to fight too much, and it will turn. And yeah, actually I think it's best if we move it this way, because there's actually a cable that runs along the left hand side of the shifter that's kind of in the way, and it's actually snagging on it. So let's see if we're better off doing it this way. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. It's coming through. All right, we'll do it on the road. No worries. Okay. So there's nothing graceful here, guys. There's no graceful way. Something is snagging. Okay. Oh, it's snagging on the gear shift. Cable. Here we go. And that's it. So that comes up. And then this is a technical part. So now we want to put the gear selector, certainly, I think, in park. So we have a little bit more leverage. So we're gonna be that way. So we're going to be pushing, kind of raising the back of it like this, kind of pushing it forward, and boom, it clears the handbrake. And then we have this clip here to undo. So let me go ahead and show you that. So here we have it. So this is the clip that we have to undo, and there is a little tab here. You just press on it and it should come right up. Let's see, I'm right-handed, so oops, I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm right-handed, so press on this little tab and away it comes. Okay. And then from there, it's just a matter of lifting this up. And at this point, I suppose we could put this in neutral, allowing us to just simply lift it away. Just like that. Awesome. Okay. So that's pretty much how it works. We can put this back to a point. So what we want to do, we want to get this to a point. We need to have this back in park. And then this is kind of tricky because then we have to deal with the handbrake. Handbrake lever. So let me see here. Let's make sure it's in the up position. Full up. Okay, and then we just kind of push it forward, and then we're back in place. Now, getting this back, this panel on, it can be a little tricky. Okay, let's make sure you get it in the right position, and we're going to fish it in from the driver's side. So have this like this. Then we fish it through this. Now I can guarantee that at some point it's probably going to be snagged right here, but don't worry about it. It's very flexible. All right, so place. Oh, okay, I got lucky. Got lucky on that side. Did I get lucky on this side? Let's see. Ah, I got lucky. All right, so at this point I got lucky. It didn't snag. So we just want to align these top tabs here, these 3 tabs, and just put them in place. All right. And now it's just a matter of refitting these clips. Okay, then we just bring this forward, toss back in place, clip, clip, and then we run the T20s back in. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys soon.